hippies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a review and first impression on Covergirl's new Clean Fresh collection. So they sent me over the entire collection, so of course I had to review it for you guys and let you know what I think about it. And what's great about this whole collection is that it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's formulated without formaldehyde, phosphates, parabens, sulfates, and talc. In this collection, there is a Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. There are 14 different shades and it provides a sheer but buildable coverage. There is a Clean Fresh Cream Blush in 4 different shades, and those are limited edition. Also, what's limited edition is their Clean Fresh Cooling Glow Sticks. There's 4 shades. And then there's 6 shades of their Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Oils. So I'm gonna use everything from this collection. I'm gonna show you guys my first impressions on it, me applying it, and then at the end of the video, I'll let you guys know what I think about everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing my review and first impression on Covergirl's new Clean Fresh collection, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start off with the Clean Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. It's a sheer coverage, but it is buildable. And it says it's your go-to makeup for those no makeup days. So I'm not expecting this to be full coverage, or maybe it won't even last on my oily skin, but we shall see. I'm not gonna use any primer so we could get the full effect and see how this baby performs. And I'm going to use the shade Light Medium. Is that? I can't quite put my finger on what the scent is. It almost smells like hazelnut creamer. Really red on this side. So let's see if it covers this red area in my cheek. It covered the redness up really well, considering I only just applied 1 layer. Let's kind of go in with a little bit more, because it does say it's buildable coverage. Okay, first impression is I like it. I like the coverage that it's giving me, and it feels really lightweight. The only thing that's kind of throwing me off is the smell of it. I know it has coconut milk, or does it have coconut milk in it? Infusion of coconut milk and soothing aloe. So I think I'm smelling the coconut. It doesn't smell bad, it just kind of threw me off a little bit because I'm not used to foundations having a scent. So there are 4 of the cream blushes. So there's the shade Ripe and Ready. It is a berry shade. Sweet Innocence is a pink shade. The butterflies, and it just looks like a dark muted rose color. And then Flushed is a coral shade. I'm gonna try Ripe and Ready, the berry colored one. I'm gonna test it out on my hand first. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. Okay, it definitely sheared out and it's leaving a really beautiful, just natural looking flush to the cheeks. I'm gonna try this side using a stippling brush just to see if that works better than using a beauty blender. Okay, it definitely made it more pigmented, so now I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender so I don't look crazy. Now out of the collection, I'm going to try out their Cooling Glow Sticks. There are 4 shades in the collection. There's the shade Transparent, So Girly, Opal Dreams, and Pink Thrill. I'm going to try Opal Dreams because it just sounds cool. Toss this glow into your pocket or bag and glide it onto cheeks, eyelids, anywhere you need a little extra glow. Ooh, it is really cooling. It's kind of like cold to put on your skin. Okay, CoverGirl. That's really pretty. Okay, so I want to try a different shade. Really curious what this transparent one is all about. So I think I'm gonna try that on my nose. Transparent is pretty transparent. I don't see it showing up on my skin or the back of my hand, so that one's kind of weird. Okay, might as well try another one, right? I'm going to try So Guilty. Ooh yeah, that one shows up. Ooh. And then lastly, there are 6 Clean Fresh tinted lip oils. I am all about a glossy lip, so I'm really excited to try these. I'm gonna try Freshly Squeezed. Full of good for you ingredients like coconut and pomegranate oils, the moisturizing formula also contains vitamin E to keep lips soft, smooth, and conditioned for up to 6 hours. Long lasting shine and moisture, comfortable for all day wear. Okay guys, so it has been about an hour and a half of me having this makeup on. I wanted just to live in it, really let these oils come out a little bit more just to see how it does with my oily skin. I actually cleaned both of the bathrooms, so I got a little sweaty. So oils are starting to peek through a little bit and I'm not mad about it. I still feel like the foundation looks really good. I was kind of skeptical at first because it said a sheer dewy finish, and you know, us oily skin girls were like, stay away from me, dewy skin. I feel like the finish just looks really natural and my skin looks really healthy and glowy. I don't know, like I said, I was scared a little bit at first because I can't even do BB creams. I'm like, what is the point? Tinted moisturizers, I'm like, get out of here. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this on my no makeup days. It just feels just really light on the skin, and I really love that it's formulated without all that crap. And the price on the foundation is $9.99, so not a bad price whatsoever. It's actually pretty good. The cream blush, maybe it's just because I'm not used to cream blushes, but it was okay. Maybe I need to play around with it more because I do like how it gave just like a really healthy glow to the skin. If you're into cream blushes, then you might really like them. They're really pigmented. They blend it out really well. Just me being an oily skin girl, I'm like, I wanted to put my powders on first and then my blush, so I just maybe have to try it out a couple more times. But the cooling glow sticks, I love those. They really did feel cooling on the skin. I wanted to like rub it all over my face because it's so hot right now, but I'm not gonna do that. I really love the subtle glow that it gave, and I feel like if you put more on, you could really build it up and blind the shit out of people with it. And I love how it just doesn't look chalky. You know, sometimes when you use a powdered highlight, you can really see it on top of the skin. This just blended in so good. It just like melted into my skin. So I am really liking these glow sticks, and the price on those is $8.99, and for sure Laugh, Love, and Hippie approved. And finally, the tinted lip oils. I like them. They feel really nice on the skin. I really enjoyed them, but I kind of don't like how you really have to go back into the tube several times to get the product out. A little bit should go a long way, but with that lip oil, I had to dip back into the tube several times to get the product onto my lips. I don't know, that's the only thing I didn't like about it, but other than that, they're really pigmented. They feel really good on my lips. And I've had this color on for about an hour and a half and it's still really pigmented and still there. So that's a good thing. And the price on these lip oils is $8.99. So I'd have to say my two favorite products is the foundation and the cooling glow sticks. I really enjoyed those two. All of these you can find at CVS and they're available now. I really hope this review helped you guys if you were interested in purchasing any of the Covergirl Clean Fresh products. If you guys like this video, please like it, leave me a comment about what product you're most interested in, or if you've tried any of them, let me know what you guys thought about it. That's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.